thanks for being with us as we celebrate 15 years. 15 years of NWOW.
15 taon na ang nakalipas, si NWOW ay dumating sa Pilipinas na may simple ngunit malakas na pangitain.
Diyan po sinigurado ng NWOW na yung safety, affordability is mamimit po namin yung every Filipino people dito sa atin.
Let me show you everything I know.
So, ang product po natin ito is designed for every Filipino people throughout the years. Isa sa mga pinipili po ng company natin is durability, family trips, any na kaya pong i-sustain yung needs ng every Filipino people.
Very happy kami na makiselebrate kasama nyo ngayon. At saka yung mga nanalo kanina, huwag kayong mag-alala, magpapapicture kami sa inyo.
I'm a simple star. This ain't gonna work. Mind my wicked words. I'm tipsy slide.
Masaya po kami na we are here with you on the 15th year. Siyempre, sa lahat ng mga partners ng NWOW, masaya po kami na kami po ay ang brand ambassadors ng NWOW and that we are still here with you and looking forward to celebrating more years with the brand. Kaya mabuhay ang NWOW. More power to you.